Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a closer look at the products that matter most. Today, we're checking out the Vitamix 15856 container. This large 64-ounce container is designed for Vitamix appliances, providing an essential upgrade for anyone who wants to get the most out of their blender. Let's see if this container is as tough and reliable as it claims to be. The Vitamix 15856 container is built to work with most Vitamix blenders, and it offers a 64-ounce capacity, which is perfect for making large batches of smoothies, soups, or even sauces. The container features hardened stainless steel blades, ensuring that you can blend through even the toughest ingredients without worrying about dulling the blades. One of the standout features of this container is the drip-free spout, which ensures a mess-free pour. It also includes raised calibrations for easy measuring, so you don't have to worry about getting the proportions wrong when blending. Whether you prefer measuring in ounces, cups, or metric, this container has got you covered. The spill-proof vented lid with a measuring cap is another great feature, designed to keep splatters at bay while you blend. And if durability is a concern for you, this container is virtually unbreakable, providing peace of mind if you're prone to accidents in the kitchen. Now, how does the Vitamix 15856 perform in real-world use? Setting up and using this container is a breeze. It fits snugly onto the Vitamix blender base, and the locking mechanism feels solid. During testing, I made a variety of blends, from smoothies packed with frozen fruit to soup made from raw vegetables. The hardened stainless steel blades really do live up to their reputation. They cut through tough ingredients effortlessly, creating a smooth texture without any chunks. The 64-ounce capacity was perfect for larger batches, meaning I didn't have to stop and blend multiple times. The spout worked as advertised, with no drips or spills during pouring, which can be a common issue with some other containers. I also appreciated the raised calibrations, which made it easy to measure out ingredients directly in the container, eliminating the need for extra measuring cups. As for the pros, this container's build quality is top-notch. The stainless steel blades feel sturdy, and the container itself is resistant to staining and odors. A big plus if you're someone who uses your blender for a variety of different tasks. The drip-free spout is a great design feature, making pouring a much cleaner experience. Plus, the lid is a fantastic addition, with its vented design that prevents pressure buildup while blending hot ingredients. The container's durability is impressive as well. It feels like it could withstand quite a bit of rough handling. On the flip side, one of the cons is the size. While the 64-ounce capacity is perfect for larger batches, it might be a bit much for smaller households or those who usually blend in smaller quantities. Also, while the container is virtually unbreakable, it's still relatively bulky and may take up more space and storage than some other options. For those with limited counter or storage space, this could be a minor inconvenience. Another thing to note is that the container is specifically designed for Vitamix blenders, so it might not be compatible with other blender brands, limiting its versatility. In terms of value for money, this container is priced in line with Vitamix's reputation for quality. While it's certainly not the cheapest option on the market, its durability, ease of use, and design features justify the price. If you're already invested in a Vitamix appliance, this container is a worthwhile addition to your setup. Competing containers in a similar price range from brands like Blendtec may offer similar performance, but they often fall short in terms of design and ease of use. The Vitamix 15856 container stands out with its practical features, like the raised calibrations and the spill-proof vented lid, which add real value in day-to-day use. When compared to other options, this container shines in terms of its design and material quality. Many competitors, while functional, don't offer the same robust features. The Vitamix container is built to last longer and provide a more seamless blending experience. If you're someone who frequently blends large batches or uses your blender for diverse tasks, this container is likely to serve you well. If you're just starting out with a blender or don't do large batches often, you may be able to find a more compact, less expensive container from other brands that will suit your needs. The build quality of the Vitamix 15856 is impressive. The container itself is made of a BPA-free, shatterproof plastic that's designed to withstand frequent use. After several weeks of testing, it shows no signs of cracking, warping, or staining, even after regular use with strong flavored ingredients like tomatoes or turmeric. The stainless steel blades have also maintained their sharpness without any signs of dulling, which speaks to the long-term durability of this product. Given Vitamix's reputation for quality and the positive feedback surrounding the brand's reliability, I have no reason to believe this container will let you down over time. If you ever need customer support, Vitamix has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful. Their customer service team has been known for addressing issues quickly and providing excellent support for their products. While I didn't personally need to contact them for any issues with the container, it's reassuring to know that Vitamix is known for its commitment to quality customer care. The Vitamix 15H856 container is a solid addition for anyone looking to elevate their Vitamix blender experience. The combination of its high-quality materials, practical features, and durability makes it a strong contender in the world of blender containers. If you're someone who regularly blends large batches, needs a container that can handle tough ingredients, or just wants a more user-friendly blending experience, this product is worth considering. It may not be for everyone, particularly those with limited space or who don't need the 64-ounce capacity, but for those who do, it's an excellent choice. Thank you for watching today's review. If you're thinking of picking up the Vitamix 15H856 container, you can find the link in the comments box below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you already own this product, or do you have questions about it? Let us know in the comments. Goodbye till next time. And remember, there's always more than meets the eye here at Reviews Inside TV.